Many young people today turn to vices and even consider suicide after heartbreaks from relationships. So, in other words, daghan sa atong mga kabatanunan karon nga magbulag na gani na muna mo drawn into vices, inom, sigarilyo, waldas diri, waldas dito, tapos kalimutan na ang kaugalingon. And the worst thing is, they want to commit suicide. As an adult, my advice is, even though it's tough, don't lose or waste your life over it. You are a gift from God to your family and everyone around you. Ending your life is not the solution. No? Instead, anchor your pain and struggles to God.